Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to view somebody's private inventory in Roblox. So first you need to log into your Roblox account in your Roblox website that you will need to open in one of your browsers. So after that you need to go to somebody's profile. So let me just search some random name. So here I will go to this account. So from here you will need to go to inventory. So as you can see, the inventory doesn't show me their private inventories. So this account might have added their inventory to private. So how you can view is that go back to their profile, and here in the same three dots click on favorites. So here you can view all their privated accessories or any inventories they have privated. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Meet you guys in the next video.